Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be going over how you can spawn a katana in a Township Tale, which is an upcoming VR multiplayer game. So let's get right into it. As I've said, this is a upcoming game and it is currently in pre-alpha, so a lot of the options are very limited. However, you can use a spawn command, and through that you can spawn several items such as a katana. I am currently using a Reddit thread through this since I do not own a VR set and cannot play this game. However, this tutorial should be just fine just by using this article, so just please bear with me. Now, as you can see, this user is having a issue. He does not know how to use the spawn command on dashboard.township tale, and pretty much there is one way which you can use to spawn items. And as you can see, this user says that you cannot spawn items on quest. However, you cannot send the items to your mailbox in game. The way you do this is by using the command trade post and enter your player name, enter the item name, and enter the quantity. And once you do all of this, you can enter that command and it'll spawn that item in your mailbox. Now, there is one caveat which you do need to keep in mind, and that is that you cannot add items that have not been implemented yet. It will crash your quest server if you do try to add it. So goetra cores, birch, redwood, so on and so forth, these items cannot be added since it will crash your game since they have not been properly implemented yet. There is a lot of these links which somebody has provided here, which you can use to help you with it. You can refer to this article on Reddit so that you can access these links, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.